Oh, that fellow was overtaking. He was overtaking close to me. Whoa. Ah, wow, guys. Yeah. I guess some folks don't get what this road was built for. Certainly was not that. Yeah, he was doing like at least 60, 65, maybe even more. Wow. Wow. Yeah, and I got over too, like as close to the line as I could. And he was still coming, man. Woo! You don't need your coffee in the afternoon after that, boy. Beautiful creek. Yeah, guys, remember in Georgia, South Carolina, as I recall, pretty much every creek had a name, right? Every creek had a name. For some reason here in Illinois, there are many unnamed creeks. Oh. Okay guys, so 3:41, 3:40 left to go in our journey today. Wow, 5:17 is the current ETA. So we've shaved off a heck of a lot, guys. I mean, if I continue this, probably get there by 4:30. But yeah, we're not going to go all out. still got one more day, guys. So the whole conserving thing is, of course, daily. Got to prepare yourself for the sort of kind of trip you're going to do, but also keep in mind, you know, you've got 6 days of cycling, guys. Livingston Poor Farm Cemetery. So a cemetery for poor folks. Yeah, guys, definitely like, I want to get off this road for when it's rush hour after work, because, guys, like, you know, this is nice because there's not so much traffic you know, behind me. Because I must admit, like, when you hear that car behind you, you kind of get a bit of a shiver on your neck, you know. Just natural body's occurrence. But, like, what I was saying is, like, a lot of people ask me, like, hey, why don't you, you know, wake up in the morning, 8 o'clock, start cycling, so then you're there wherever you get to by like 3, 4, you know, p.m. So you still got a little bit of the day and stuff. But